Alright, I'm just going to take a moment to set this up. Okay. Hello, and welcome to our OMBI presentation. We are Group 1 from Computer Science 3307, Object-Oriented Design and Analysis at the University of Western Ontario. For those of you that don't already know what OMBI is, it stands for the Ontario Municipal Benchmarking Initiative. OMBI creates new ways to measure, share, and compare performance data in operational practices. This groundbreaking initiative collects data for more than 850 measures across 37 municipal service areas. Today, we're going to give you a look at a few of these service measures. So let's get started. As you can see, when a user first opens the application, they are greeted with a welcome screen that displays the OMBI logo. There's also a short paragraph that tells the user a little bit about OMBI and its purpose. Below, you can see a slideshow that displays all of the municipality logos. If a user wants to know how to get started using the application, they can click the button marked How to Get Started. This displays a list of step-by-step instructions. Now, let's click the Start button. The user is now presented with the main screen of the application. Here, they can select a service area from the drop-down list. Alternatively, they can click the icons here to select a service area. The user is also presented with a display type option. There are three choices: table, bar chart, and line graph. When the user has made their selection, they can click display. First, let's select police and bar chart. At the top of the page, we have the title of the current measure, which is the population in this case. To the right, the user can select from every available measure corresponding to the current service area. Let's do so. The user can also toggle which municipalities and years to include in the data. For example, let's say we want to only look at data from the past 3 years. We can deselect 2008 or 2009. And maybe the user wants to exclude certain municipalities, so let's simply deselect the municipalities from the list. The user can also choose to add a mean line to the graph, like so. Once we're done, we can choose to save our custom bar chart as an image by clicking on the Save as Image button. Now, let's give it a name, Test Picture. Now, let's check to see if our image actually saved. Here, let's go. There it is. So, if we were to click on our image, we would see our graph in PNG format. Now, back to the demonstration. The user can also see the data in CSV format, which is comma-separated files. So, let's see. I'm going to save it to the same location, named test CSV. Okay. Now, if I were to click to that location, it should be there. If I open the file, it'll save the currently selected data in a comma-separated file. Now, back to the demonstration. Let's say the user has created their customized chart, but they accidentally closed the application before saving it. They simply need to restart the application, and they will be presented with the last chart they created. There it is. In this case, we say that our previous chart has been reloaded. To go back to select a new service area, the user just needs to click on the main menu button, and we're back to the menu screen. Line graphs have all of the same features as bar charts. Let's check it out. As you can see, we again see the population. This time we're looking at the fire aspect of the service area. We can click to toggle the legend and the mean line. We can also deselect years and save both as image and CSV. So let's return. Now let's try looking at a table. Tables have one additional feature. The user can select multiple table cells or entire rows and columns and calculate the mean, minimum, and maximum values for the selected values. Let's try some of this. So I can select to calculate mean and max and min from these selected icons, or rather tables. I can also select the column, like so, and select its max, min, and mean. Alternatively, I can pick and choose certain cells in order to find their max, min, and mean. And this concludes our presentation of the OMBI project. Thank you for watching.